Welcome to AnyPOS How to Video. How to save an order on an AnyPOS app. Select items to add in your order. Go to Payment Screen and click Save Order button at bottom left on your screen. This will save your order, and you can continue this transaction anytime later. To see your saved orders, click the left menu button and go to the Transactions tab. Click on Pending tab, and you will see your order as an unpaid. Click on the order and complete it. Congratulations, now you know how to save and complete an order. This feature is available for both AnyPOS portal and app. Thank you for watching.